Hi, hello. Welcome to the Crypto Stand channel. So, in this video, we're going to see three key updates with regards to Shiba Inu and when the pump is going to happen. So, everybody is pretty much like very excited on when the Shiba is going to pump and when we are going to reap in profits, right? So, the time is not very far. Hopefully, the pump is going to be very soon. So, before diving into the actual video, if this is your first time watching my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and please hit the like button and also smash the bell icon so that you get all updates related to crypto as soon as uh, the major movements in market happen. So so the market, crypto market, right, for the past couple of days you were able to see that pretty much like all the coins including bitcoin and all the altcoins, right, they're all trading in red. You'll be able to see that there's a huge downward graph happening, right? So there are various factors which are contributing to that. One of the thing is like whenever a big dump in Bitcoin happens, automatically the altcoins also start to kind of like dump as well. In addition, yesterday there was a major event which happened in with regards to Bitmart exchange. So the hackers hacked Bitmart and they were able to kind of like steal almost like 200 million dollars. So this created a big negative news in the crypto industry, and it started kind of like sending huge negative catalyst across the crypto coins. So this is also one of the reasons why from yesterday there is a huge dip in with regards to the crypto prices. And the kind of like official information from the Bitmart exchange is that they have started working on it, and as they'll be bringing the site as soon as possible. So hopefully that happens very soon, and kind of like everything goes back to normal. So in support to this, right, the ship token uh, Twitter account, right? So they extended their support to say that for the Bitmart exchange, we'll try to support as much as possible, and they have requested the community to do so as well. So in this moment of time, like let's all try to help and support them as well. So, with regards to three key updates for sheep token, right? So, how the pump is going to happen? The first and foremost thing, which in my point of view is right, in order to big in order for the big pump to happen, right, there should be a very big positive catalyst which needs to drive the price. And one another factor is the circulating supply. So, as you all know, the SHIB token has a massive token supply. Say 549 million tokens are already still in circulating supply, and the SHIB overall around like 411 billion, trillion tokens have already been burnt. Still, we almost have like around 59, 55% of tokens in supply. This should go significantly down. So when we say SHIB should reach the 1 cent mark or the $1 mark, etc., right? With this amount of huge circulating supply, it's never going to happen. In order for the price to come down heavily, the circulating supply should go down as well. So in order to bring down the circulating supply, right, there are multiple things happening. One thing is the ship burn events. In the upcoming events, the ship team have planned for organizing various ship burn events. So what is a burn event? When we say burn event, right, there will be certain specific activities which will be carried to bring down the token supply. One pretty organization which is kind of like already helping towards this is the now payments. So the now payments are already like whenever a transaction happens via SHIB using that now payments platform, right? So they are burning a percentage of their profit to bring down the token supply. Therein, like say when you take like Amazon, right, when you kind of like place multiple orders and when you start bring making lots of orders through the by instead of paying via the credit card, debit cards, etc., right? So if you're trying to pay via the ship, right, so ship uh, a percentage of ship profits will be burned. Meaning a percentage of ship tokens will be burnt. So gradually, if lots of different organizations like Now Payment, say Amazon, Google, or like any customer centric or customer facing companies, right? When they start to adopt this ship tokens, there will be lots of widely spread activity, and more burn kind of events will come into place. So this will help in a significant way in the long run. The other thing is, right, uh, as you are able to see that at the end of October, SHIB had a huge spike and then it started to taper down. So this usually happens whenever a huge price hike happens. After that, people start to take out their profits, and slowly SHIB starts to come down. This we call in the crypto industry as the market correction. So right now it is happening for the Shiba Inu token. A huge market correction is happening. In addition to the all the negative FUD news which are also coming in, the price is getting dragged down. So my personal suggestion would be is this is a very good time to kind of like take an entry with regards to SHIB Inu tokens. Try to kind of like stock up as much as possible, because the bullish run for this year is still not over. Definitely, there is going to be a huge pump coming in, and once the pump starts to kick in, it will definitely break the all-time highs, previous all-time highs, and who knows, it might even kind of like delete a zero or so. If it deletes a zero or so, imagine the amount of profit people will make. And this is not going to be like some fantasizing thing, like it's going to like going to pump heavily or no. Definitely, the pump is going to happen. There are lots of factors which are coming in. The other one which I wanted to also talk about is the metaverse. So the metaverse, as you all know, once Facebook announced that the Meta, they are changing their name to Meta, and all of a sudden, all the metaverse related tokens started to pump. So for the last week or so, they are all trading in red. But when you look at the past history of those tokens, for example, when you look at the Decentraland token, if you look at the last 3 months timing or so, okay, yeah, last 3 months. So right at this point, like Facebook announced that it's changing its name to Meta, and boom, there was a huge pump ahead, and the price shot up to $5. And also the future is going to be entirely Meta, where everything is going to happen virtual. So uh, as far as I researched, I was able to find that Shiba developers are also looking into kind of like integrating Shiba into the metaverse universe as well. So imagine, already like Shiba has a good amount of holders within, and once it starts to get integrated into the metaverse area, that's it. Shiba will kind of like definitely go to the moon. So there are like unlimited, there are like lots of possibilities for Shiba Inu to pump very soon. So hopefully it kind of like recovers from the downward trend here, and we hope we see a huge all-time high, and hope it deletes a zero very soon. So if you like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel. So I've also added a link to my Telegram channel here. So in this Telegram channel, I'll be also posting regular updates and also giving out buy and sell signals. And most of all, I'll also give out new free airdrop links by which you can uh, earn few passive income, and also you can get lots and lots of free coins which will kind of like help you on the long run as well. So thank you.